how to pin a comment on Instagram post. Hey guys, in this video, I'll guide you through how to pin a comment on your Instagram post. Alright, so let's begin. So, the first thing that you want to do is open up the Instagram app on your mobile and make sure it is updated to the latest version available. After that, sign into your account and you will be redirected to this page. Over here, first tap on your profile icon, which is at the bottom right corner. Then select the post where you want to pin a comment and head to the comment section. After that, you can either type your own comment or choose one from the existing comments on your post. Once you've selected the comment, swipe left or tap on it and you'll see the pin option appear. Then simply tap pin to pin the comment to the top of your post. So that's basically how you can pin a comment on an Instagram post. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.